Today we are going to take a look. This is my Ford Transit camper van, but what we're going to look at today is this pedal lock. This pedal lock is made from 10mm steel, and the slots here slip into the brake pedal, clutch pedal. This then goes on the top, and then we've got a very secure lock to lock it all together, and it's impossible to use the brake or clutch pedal. I bought this from eBay. They're available on eBay and Amazon, and I believe them to be absolutely fantastic. To actually remove it without the lock, you would have to cut through here with an angle grinder and this side with an angle grinder, so it would take quite a lot of effort to remove this, but it's very simple to actually put on and take off of the vehicle. So we'll do that next. I'll show you how it actually attaches to the pedals. This is very simple to attach to the clutch and brake pedal. We just lift it underneath the two pedals, slip the bar on the top, put the padlock in and lock it, and now it is extremely secure. There's no way that you can work either of the pedals. They are both really secure. And as I said, to actually remove this now, you would need an angle grinder, and that's going to cause a lot of noise and suspicion. So I think your vehicle is very safe with one of these. It is not just available for the Ford Transit. You can buy these for any vehicle. I think they are a good investment. This one, when I purchased it, cost me £60. I'm not sure of the price now, but I think they're really secure and really worth the money.